Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Share, Export and Close tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Share tab. We can share the document with different people by clicking on Share with People button. Document should be saved in cloud to get this option. We can share the document in mail with different options. First option is Send as attachment. That is, we can send the document as attachment in mail. Second option is Send a link. That is, send the link in mail. Third option is Send as PDF. That is, send document as PDF attachment in mail. Fourth option is Send as XPS. That is, send document as XPS attachment in mail. Fifth option is Send as Internet fax. We need to configure fax service provider to send the document as Internet fax. We can present the document online with viewers. Also, we can select the option, Enable remote viewers to download the document, to enable the viewers to download document. We can post the document to blog. Some supported blogs are SharePoint blog, WordPress, Blogger, Intelligent Community and TypePad. Next tab is Export. We can export the document in PDF or XPS format using Create PDF or XPS document button. We can also change file type while exporting with different formats like Document, Word 97 2003 Document, Open Document Text, Template. Under other file types, we have Plain Text, Rich Text Format, Single File Web Page and Save As button opens, Save As tab under File menu. Next tab is Close, which closes the document. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.